Find the integral of 5x to the power of 9 minus half x to the power of 4 plus 8x minus 6 dx. Okay, well, I know from the properties of integration that doing each part separately is possible. I can do the pluses and minus separately. And I can also, when there's a multiple, I can do that bit multiplied by whatever the integral of the other bit is. So I reckon I can write this all out in one go. As long as I know how to integrate powers, which I can, because you put the power up by 1 and divide by the new power. So here we go. 5x to the power of 9 minus a half x to the power of 4 plus 8x minus 6 dx is 5 is still there because it's a constant multiplied on. Then to do a power like this, I'll go up 1 power and I'll divide by the new power. And then the half will still be there. And then I'll go up 1 power and divide by the new power. And then the 8 will still be there, and then I'll go up 1 power and divide by the new power. And then the 6 will become a 6x. And then there might be a plus c on the end, because anything that differentiates to give this answer will do, and all constants will differentiate to give 0. So 5/10 is the same as a half, x to the power of 10. Half times that's a 10th, x to the power of 5. 8 divided by 2 is 4x squared minus 6x plus c. And that's the integral.